Hello everyone, today I will show you how to decrease checklist indent in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and put your mouse cursor where you want to put your checklist, and here you will find this checklist icon. I'll put this second checklist and click here. Now I'll adjust this checklist indent and see this indent are not adjusted. Now select view option and select a show ruler. Here we will find this triangle left indent option and drag this and move left and see this set list indent already adjusted, and again I will adjust the checklist and same way drag this and see this. Also you can move this checklist, move this first indent icon and see this, only checklist moving and text remain same. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.